And especially since this has been a pattern, right from the CRPF being accused of rigging votes in favor of the BJP, to the army once being accused of trying to mount a coup against the West Bengal government, to now even the BSF. Surely there cannot be a suggestion, Ashutosh Mishra, that the entire armed forces are somehow targeting one state government. This is unprecedented. No other state has come up with an allegation like this.
Padmaja, TMC's accusation against BJP should be examined in the light of the general mentality and modus operandi of BJP in utilizing government servants for its political purposes. BJP has a history of identifying, cultivating and promoting government servants to serve its political agenda. It has a lack of meritorious cadre members. So what it does, takes people from IPS, IFS and even army officers who are inculcated and later absorbed in BJP and made ministers. And BJP has been picking up officers from IAS, IPS, IFS, IAS and IPS.
So now you're not talking about individuals, you are saying entire forces are being co-opted by the BJP in one fashion.
The gentleman here.
Sir, you are not talking about an officer or the head of a force. You're talking about that soldier who's standing at the border, and you're saying that he in some way is rigging votes. This is ridiculous. What possible motivation could that Jawan have, who by the way is shot at by cattle smugglers every third week? Do you know the number of people who lose their lives standing at that border? Being shot at by cattle smugglers?
We are talking about officers. We are talking about officers. You are mixing up two things. We are talking about officers and you are talking about Jawans. There are officers who have been absorbed in BJP post-retirement and they are sort of cultivated throughout their career.
Okay, Sanju Verma. So there are officers who are cultivated by the BJP and they are apparently instructing the men on the ground to somehow rig in BJP's favor. Sanju Verma.
I just want to say one very important thing which your audience should know. Please hear carefully, Mr. Riju Datta of the Trinamool Congress. 3 days back, the CBI conducted raids in West Bengal, in border areas, and a lookout notice has been issued for Vinay Kumar Mishra, one of the senior general secretaries of the Trinamool Congress. He skipped the notice, he skipped the summons. There's a lookout notice for him. He's involved in cattle smuggling along with one of the Trinamool Congress's confidants, Imanul Haq, who has been operating along with Anarul Sheikh and Ghulam Mustafa. Can you deny this, Riju Datta?
And